Johnny, here's why you need a cosigner. You know your credit situation, you're a ghost. You need some stability. You need some help. Credit is like credibility. If you have no credit, it's not that you you don't have bad credit. You just don't have any credit. So when the banks look at you, they don't know if you're going to be good. They don't know if you're going to be bad. So what would you do if you're 50-50? We're just going to consider it a bad loan. So if you have a qualified cosigner on a loan, that can help you. If I went to your house and I just opened the door at Thanksgiving and nobody knew who I was, what would happen? Nobody would trust me. Like, who the heck is this guy in my house? But if I come in with you and you have a great reputation with your family, you have credibility with them, I go in with you, they say, oh, hey, Johnny, who's your friend? And then you tell them who I am, and guess what's going to happen? They're all going to treat me like family, going to love me because they know that you're a credible person. So we're going to need somebody with qualified credit to co-sign. So let's call your mom right now to give you that credibility. So next time you have to get a car or you get a loan, your credit's going to build up and you have credibility where you won't need one. That's just one way I ask for a cosigner. There's different variations I'll go over in the future, but getting a cosigner will, I promise you, when you have a subprime customer or a customer who needs a cosigner, just asking for that, you're going to get 20% better. Every situation, when you don't have somebody approved, you're going to look for that 1 in 10 opportunity. It might not happen, but you're going to want to hope that customer in front of you is that 1 in 10. You got to be aware that it's unlikely, but go through every single step as if it's going to happen. You miss every shot you don't take. Ask for the cosigner. Ask for the customer to get a cosigner. And if they don't do it, they're not confident, you call and ask yourself. Talk to you guys soon. I can't wait to share more videos with you guys. Like and subscribe.